Today I'm teaching you how to create a form using HTML. HTML is a web page development language, and although it is rarely used, you should know it because all the other HTML versions are pretty nice. Like HTML5 is pretty good, and to know that you should know the HTML basics. So we're just creating a form here. Earlier in the earlier versions of HTML, you had to write a HTML and body tag. Although here most browsers, if you don't write HTML and body tags here, they still recognize them, so that's not gonna be a problem. um, so let's just save this file so that your editor can understand the keywords and tags. Just save it on the desktop, name it sample form.html. Make sure you write the extension so that it's easier for the editor to understand the keywords or the tags here in this case. This will be your file. In any operating system, go to in any operating system, go to open with and then select your favorite browser. I'll use Firefox. This will be your file. Right now I don't have anything much in my code. I don't have anything rather, so there's nothing on my browser as well. So let me just start writing. So first what we do is directly start with the form tag, and then you can either not indent your form, or you can indent. To indent, you can create a table. Otherwise you can use other indentation tags, which will complicate matters. So I'll just use the table and give it a border. Border and the number after following the number following border basically decides what kind of border do you want. So 1 is, I think, a straight line, 2 is a bold line, and then so on and so forth. You can check Google for that. Next thing I'll do is TRBG color, and BG's color stands for background color, and you can enter either like white or blue or whatever do you want, and otherwise you can enter values which indicate a certain color, or you can include hash values. So if you're using MS Paint or something, you can just when you select custom color, you get values there. Or I'm not sure with the MS Paint, but in Photoshop it's there. Or you can just Google for color and their hash values. So I'll just use this light bluish color. So that's CCCCFF. This is hexadecimal value, and I'll just close this. You can either close tags as you write them, or what you can do is indent your code, and then you don't need to remember, so you'll realize that I'm missing a tag, so I have to close it. And TR stands for row tag, that is, so that's going to a new row. And then we'll do a TH tag. TH stands for header tag, so we'll just name it name. So and just close the TH tag, and then this will be I've picked up this form from Wikipedia actually. So you can go to Google and type form HTML, and the first wiki link which comes up is this. So I'm just giving you an example. I'm showing you what tags mean actually. So th here, and say value. This is going to be a sports form, and just close this th. Next thing you do is close the tr, because I want to go to the next line. Open another tr, and then as soon as you finish your tr, you can save this and refresh this to see that your name and value have appeared. The next thing you have to do is, as we just created a tr tag right now, so we'll since this is a form, so we need to ask a name and give options, etc. So we'll start with the name. So TD stands for here. I'm going to use a TD tag, which stands for creating a new cell. So name and TD close, and create another TD tag, and input. Here my input type is going to be text, so I'm going to be asking the user to enter something and in a text box. So this is going to be text name, and then give the size of the text box and shut the td tag. You can the next thing we have to do is go to the next row, and you can just save this and refresh this to see what you are doing currently. We'll just create another tr tag. This will be for sex, and print it here. See, whatever you print in TD, the things which appear in white are actually going to appear on your web page. The things which you write in this in the bracket, the triangle bracket, whatever it's called, are going to be types of input, or you're basically asking HTML to use this format, and whatever it's relevant to, it'll use that, print that is. So we just shut this, open up another td tag and ask for an input. Let's be, say, radio. Radio are the things you check, like you'll have 2-3 options. You're supposed to choose one. We can actually see it as soon as we finish. So value is gonna be, say, male and male. Actually, if we don't put a value, it's alright, doesn't matter right now, because we're not recording any data right now, but we connected to the database. We're supposed to record data, so this value will be sent to the database when the guy selects male. Then we break a line. BR stands for breaking line. Next thing we do is again an input. Let me just copy this. There's community female, and we will change this to female here as well. Female. Close the td tag, close the tr tag. Let's refresh here. So you can select, these are radio input types, so you can select what you want, and there's only one right option. I mean, you can select only one, there's not one right option. Anyways, so the next thing we'll do is select eye color. So we'll just open tr again. For every new row you have to open a tr tag again. For every new cell you have to open up another td tag. So we'll just write eye color, close td tag, and select option. Select name is equal to, say, eye color, and we give them options. Let me show you what option looks like. I don't know. We first have to close tag. I'm sorry. So let options be blue, say brown, black, and maybe let it be, I don't know, selected. It doesn't matter if you don't write this, doesn't matter actually. Let's just say other, because if people have other eye colors, you can add an addition that if people select other, there'll be another row coming in, and then which asks you to specify what other color your eye is. But this is gonna be pretty simple, so I'll just do only this, and close the select tag, close the td tag. I think I did not start a td tag here. Wait, hold on. Yeah, yeah. There should have been a td tag here. which gets shut here, and we close the row as well. We just save this, refresh this. You can see we have different colors. Next thing we do is tr again, and ask them to check. Oh wait, no, sorry. td check what applies, and then another column. This will be a checkbox, so we just write checkbox and the name equal to height and value equal to 1. Let it be 6 feet plus, and then close the input tag. Oh. The next checkbox say will be weight. Value can be 2. This is database value, so it doesn't matter. And say 60 kg plus. And input tags closed. Shut the td tag. Shut the tr tag. Create another tr tag. That's new row. Another td tag. We'll just ask the user what kind of ability he has, so we'll just write td and call span. That's for column span, and we'll give it value 2. Describe yourself and break the line. Give this guy a text area to write. Name can be description, I'm sorry. And give him number of columns equal to 50, number of rows equal to say about 4, and shut the tag. That's done. Shut the td tr tag. The next thing we'll do is make a submit button. So just start another tr tag, then td, and then say call span equal to a line at the center. If you don't want to align it, you can leave that. I mean, you don't write a line there, and say input input types equal to submit, and value equal to send form. Okay, close the td tag here, tr tag here, table tag here. It's already done. Save it, refresh. What went wrong exactly? This should have been in the middle. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. This is wrong. No wonder. Middle line should work. Oh my god, that's sad. Yeah, so you can send a form, you can say TechXArena. Oh my god. Okay, mail, black eyes, yeah, correct. Something, whatever. Send a form. Usually the refresh means your form's been sent. Otherwise, you can create another page linking to this page saying that your form was accepted, like you have in Google Forms. This information should be collected via DBMS, that is the database management system. Or you can record the whole page directly in HTML format again. Right now this is just sample, so I'm not going to be doing that. And thank you for watching the video.